Bullish request cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 39 cents and 86 cents by 2030. Market experts accept REQ could reach 39 cents by 2025. Bearish request market cost expectation for 2022 is 7 cents. Request presentation. The universe of digital money is turning out to be progressively nuanced, with advancements happening across many chains, monetary forms, and stages. Different issues obstruct the objective of decentralization, for example, information traffic, convoluted cycles, and security issues. Among said issues comes the instance of smoothed-out installments. Request was laid out as a stage to make the installments framework less muddled. In this all-encompassing aid, we cover the advantages of putting resources into the REQ token, the stages specialized in major central issues, and give our request cost forecasts. We will be taking a gander at the base cost esteem, normal cost, specialized examination, most extreme cost, normal estimate cost, normal exchanging cost, and greatest worth. What is request? The significant expenses of working on digital money stages ordinarily emerge in the installment system. Outsiders which moderate cash trades into different worldwide monetary standards charge a powerful expense for changes. Notwithstanding, request changes the game by taking out the requirement for outsider transformation frameworks and wallets. Through request, the clients send data, for example, the installment owed and the client to which the request is to be sent. The installments can be made and sent through basic requests, or invoiced through different means. As the local badge of request, the REQ token is utilized to drive all organization requests. The request stage's attractiveness is what we consider while making our potential request cost forecast. The method involved with requesting installments on digital currency stages wasn't really the most smoothed out. However, with request, clients can send solicitations and agreements. Requests for charging are moved when the agreement is finished, which keeps the interaction formal and essentially evades extortion. Since the stage empowers clients to save data on all exchanges, clients are better coordinated with regards to installments and such. Eliminating outsider change and installment handling charges results in a less expensive crypto experience, particularly for fledgling clients who are now betting their cash in an unstable market. Since most worldwide monetary standards are covered under request, yet others are being empowered, request as a stage takes into consideration crypto exchanging around the world. Considering this broad market access, our request cost forecasts pursue a positive direction. Request venture. The vision of request's organizers, Christophe Laschite and Etienne Tatter, was to make a stage that smoothed out installments while keeping up with security and protection. In that objective, request has been absolutely model, since changing over computerized installments into conventional installments is facilitated without galactic charges and commissions paid to outsiders. Request stays an attractive and productive venture. While the cost of request has stayed unpredictable given the idea of the market, upwards drifts in the future describe productive request cost forecast. Since outsider contribution is checked, the request stage covers security arrangements utilizing Ethereum and IPFS. Clients and diggers pay just exchange expenses for the stage's superior transactability and local area-driven administration. Request cryptocurrency cost. Request is presently worth 8 cents USD. REQ has moved 4.26% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,717,905. Request is presently positioned 181 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $89,150,867 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for request to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Request value forecast 2022. Request, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The REQ cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 13 cents. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 12 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. REQ is supposed to have a base worth of 10 cents. Request value forecast 2023. In 2023, request REQ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of REQ will before long outperform 22 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the REQ's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, REQ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 17 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 19 cents. Request value expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 30 cents and REQ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. REQ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 28 cents and a low of 26 cents in 2024. Request value expectation 2025. Assuming request effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the REQ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, REQ will be green in 2025. The REQ is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 39 cents, with a base cost of 35 cents and a typical cost of 37 cents. Request value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the REQ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 45 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 44 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, REQ has a greatest value worth of 48 cents. Request value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 54 cents. On the off chance that REQ figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 57 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help REQ needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 53 cents. Request value expectation 2028. While REQ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 61 cents and a yearly cost close above 66 cents in 2020. Request value expectation 2029. By 2029, request will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 70 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 75 cents, averaging out at 72 cents. Request value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme REQ cost in 2030 is projected to be 86 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 83 cents. And request convention speculation potential is enormous, making the REQ token a popular coin. The stage emphatically works on installment instruments while guaranteeing security and offers change frameworks, making it the conceivable PayPal of the digital currency world. Since installments on decentralized frameworks, like B2B installments, administration, IoT, and so forth, are worked on through request, it has monstrous development potential. The reformed instruments it offers for installment tasks can't be put into words and are gradually starting